So you have this basic DC series circuit. So you've got the voltage source and you've got the 3 resistors in series. And you need to find the current, I sub 1. That looks like 4, but I assure you that that says I sub 1. So we need to find I sub 1. How are we going to do that? Well, you may have noticed that or you may know that since these resistors here are in series, we can actually add the value of those resistors together and make we can redraw the circuit and make a completely new circuit, which would make it easier for us to solve for the current. So if I could we can consolidate all 3 resistors into actually one resistor just by adding up. Excuse these lines, they're not that straight, but whatever. Just by adding up these resistors here. So we have 100 plus the 300 plus the 50. So we have 450 total ohms. So this right here is going to be 450 ohms. And we're still looking for this current here. If you think back to Ohm's law, and if you haven't learned that, I'll just write that here real quick. Ohm's law states that the voltage equals the current times the resistance. In a similar manner, if you rearrange this same equation, you have I, current, equals voltage over the resistance. If you look here, we only have 1 voltage and 1 resistor now. So we can solve for I sub 1. So I sub 1 equals, again, the voltage over the resistance, which is 9 over 450, 9 volts over 450 ohms, which equals that's going to equal 0.02 amps, or you could say 20 milliamps. So I sub 1 is equal to 20 milliamps.